Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PATONA Power Station Autarc 1000 and I'm going to show you what devices can you charge. So as you can see, you can plug in your power brick and charge all devices that you want to charge. Same with these USB ports. To prove it, I will plug in my phone now. As you can see, it's charging right now. Apart from that, I can plug in MacBook and it will charge too. And apart from that, we can plug in some kind of speaker. For example, JBL Charge 4. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.